Kiddos, have you ever wondered what happens when cheaters try to out-cheat each other? Well, buckle up because today I'm going to tell you a tale about two sneaky racers, Jamie and Casey. One sunny day at the school sports day, Jamie and Casey both decided they wanted to win the race no matter what. They both had the same sneaky plan to take a shortcut and finish first. But oh boy, were they in for a surprise. As they both zipped through their secret paths, they bumped into each other. Imagine their faces when they realized they were both trying to cheat. Jamie's eyes went wide, and Casey's jaw dropped. It was a real cheater showdown. Now, kids, what do you think happened next? Did they keep on cheating? Nope. They both felt pretty silly seeing someone else doing the same sneaky thing. They realized it wasn't fun if everyone was cheating. So, Jamie and Casey decided to go back to the starting line and run the race the right way. This time they ran as fast as they could, fair and square. And guess what? Even though neither of them won, they had a blast and felt great because they knew they did the right thing. And that's the scoop, my friends. Cheating might seem like it'll get you ahead, but it's really no fun when everyone's being sneaky. Winning feels way better when you know you've earned it fair and square. So remember, always play fair and have fun the honest way. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss our next adventure. Bye-bye.